Julie from the lifestyle website julieblanner.com, where I share easy recipes great for entertaining and home design. Today I'm sharing one of my most popular recipes with you, my veggie dip. This was actually my sister's recipe that I updated. Hers used MSG, which I'm not comfortable with using for my family. It's so great. It's one of our holiday staples. So delicious, and everybody always asks for the recipe, which for me, that tells me it's a winner. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we do. I'm doing this veggie dip recipe in collaboration with some of my very favorite YouTube friends. You can find a link to all the recipes in the description below, as well as a playlist to get to each and every one of their fabulous holiday recipes. All you need for a really great dip is any two of the following: cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise. Today for this dip, we're using sour cream and mayonnaise. I always like to use the olive oil mayo. I find that it gives it the most flavor, and I'm not much of a mayo fan on its own, and this one really blends well into recipes. So we're going to get started by mixing those two together. And then we're going to blend in some seasonings. I like to use parsley. Of course, you can always use fresh herbs, but if you want to use dry, sour cream and mayonnaise will help bring out the flavor and will soften them. So whichever your preference is. For this easy veggie dip, I like to use dry because it's so quick and eliminates any need to chop. This dip comes together in less than 5 minutes. So I stir in the parsley, and again, I'm going to use minced onion. And then your very favorite seasoning. You can use like Mrs. Dash or Trader Joe's. This one is an all salute that I really like. It smells fabulous and blends so well into dips. But use your very favorite seasoning mix, and you can adapt this recipe to anything you want it to be for that occasion. And now comes my favorite part. We're going to blend in the cheeses. For this, again, to be a time saver, I use grated Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to add in garlic powder. Garlic powder adds a lot of flavor as well. A little bit goes a long way. And then, just so it doesn't get too spicy and it really balances it, I put in just a touch of sugar. Where I splurge a little bit of my time, but still keeps me under 5 minutes, is fresh grating mozzarella. I don't know if you know this or not, but if you purchase a block of cheese, it's always the best cheese that dairy has to offer. They use the remnants to make shredded cheese. So not only are you starting off with a drier cheese of lower quality, but then it's pre-shredded and it has to be preserved, and it kind of dries out a little bit in the packaging, so it's just not as creamy. Whether I'm baking something in the oven or on the stovetop, or just blending it into a chilled dip, I personally prefer to take the extra couple minutes and shred the cheese myself. You'll see just how fresh it is, and it just is creamier that way. So we're gonna blend in this cheese now. So now we're just going to fold in the cheese, and then we're gonna let this dip marinate. Whether you allow it to marinate overnight or for just a couple of hours, it really helps all of the flavors blend in together. You can throw your very favorite veggies on a tray with this easy veggie dip. The options are endless. You can get the full recipe on my website at julieblanner.com, and I'll link to it in the description below. For more easy recipes, entertaining ideas, and home decor, visit my lifestyle website at julieblanner.com. I'll also link to it in the description below. And don't forget to click subscribe.